nodes and internodes. Leaves grow on the stem at the points called nodes, and the part of the stem between two successive nodes is known as. So see here, see from where leaves are growing. Okay, this part over here is called as node. This is another node. This is another node. This is another node. So there are in total how many nodes? 4. So since it's a region, so we call it nodal region. The area in between the two nodes is called internodal region. Easy? Understood? This is node from where leaves are coming out. Okay? And this area is known as internode. This is again node from where leaves are coming out. This area is internode. This is again node. Got it?